welcome back to my channel. Just call me Miela, and for today's video, I was very inspired to do this makeup. It was inspired by a Coachella festival or a Bohemian party. Since I'm from the Philippines, I really dream to have one or experience one. Instead, I am going to practice myself doing or making this makeup. So if you wanna know how I did this look, please keep on watching. I don't usually use a brush to blend my foundation, but I found it very clean and flawless. This color tint from the Colorette gives me the best peach blush for this makeup look. For this look, I am really pressing my brows on my skin just to make it feathery but natural looking. I am only using a plain black eyeshadow for the tail of my brows. This concealer stick is from Everbilena and I'm using my finger since this is very patchy, but I needed to prime my eyelids. And I need to set it as well with a plain powder foundation. Shimmery and glittery eyeshadows are very hard to blend. So for this one, since I don't have a good primer for the lids, I am packing the pigment first and blend it. I am concentrating the dark purple on my crease just to add a little depth. For my lower lash line and on my outer V, I am putting a soft pink shade just to make it more aesthetic. Same on the inner corner of my eyes. This highlighter stick from Careline is very affordable and it's very pigmented. A little goes a long way with this one, and it gives me a very good highlight on my cheeks and on my nose. I want my eyeshadows to stand out for this look, so instead of putting eyeliner above my lashes, I do the tight line. I am now putting the glue where I want to place the petals. I watched this look from Buya. Check her YouTube channel. It's almost the same, but the flowers were different. Adding these small faux pearls on my lower lash line and on my forehead, just to add a little arc on this look. And that's it for today's video, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed on my YouTube channel, go hit that subscribe button and we'll see you on my next video. Bye!